testing out a new product. Right, I've been using this Gunk driveway cleaner stuff, this stuff here. It says, removes unsightly oil stains from driveways, garage floors, pathways and patios, gives a new ease of life to your property. Suitable for use on concrete, paving, slabs and block paving, which that's what we have here, block paving. So, it says sage well, clean before use, pour onto stained areas and scrub well with a stiff brush. I've got a drill, Makita, and I bought some brushes from some attachments on Amazon, and I'll put all the links in the description. But yeah, so allow 15 to 20 minutes to take effect, rinse off plenty of water, do not allow rinsing to collect and stand in one area. Some of the stains may require repeat application, but so far it's not too bad. As you can see the differences, it's here and here. So yeah, so to be honest with you, it's not too bad for the first few, but we'll see in due course tomorrow, and which will be today in this case for you, and it'll be, you know, whenever you see the video. But yeah, so we're going to actually show you how to applicate it, and I'm using a pressure washer, which is a K-Archer K4, and yeah, so let's go on with it. So we're going to work on this little area here. I've tested it on this one. You probably can barely see a little bit of oil stain there, because this one is a little bit of a recent one. On camera it's actually a lot more pronounced actually. So it is there, and an older one, which is older than the one I just showed you, which is here, and yeah, it's not too bad. Driveway is not the cleanest at the moment, but oil stains wise it's not too shabby, but we'll give it a shot. We'll do another one and show you how to do it. As you can see, it is still slightly there. We see what it's like in the morning, and yeah, let's go from there. So let's do this. So you get our product, which is Gunk driveway cleaner, which is here. Pour it on. It's only a 1 litre, like I said, I'm just giving it a little bit of a trial, put it over affected areas. Like I said, I'm doing this a little bit before I do the rest, but like I said, I'm just testing it, see how I feel. But yeah, like all products I normally do at this point, is this counts up my own money, no sponsorship, nothing. Got this product from Halfords, and yeah, so let's give it a scrubbing. Let's get the drill, setting 2. So we leave it to sit a bit. So when you're doing your own cars, you know, we all make mistakes every once in a while. You may spill a bit of oil. Let's say after you drained the oil, it spills. You move the pan out of the way, and the oil spills. This is all from years, and like I said, like, you know, hopefully this stuff will actually work, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so we'll just leave it for a little bit, give it a plaster with the pressure washer, and see where that goes from here. So get a pressure washer. Go. But yeah, as you can see, obviously I didn't touch this area. This was the main area. You can still see a little bit around there. Give it a bit more of a brush, and let's see what water remains and what oil remains. But yeah, so as you can see, it's still slightly here from this section here, but there's less of it, so suppose it's not brilliant, but it's a bit too dry, well, it's a bit too wet to actually really tell properly, but it is there. I can see in the camera it's still here, but I don't know how YouTube will present it. But yeah, as you can see, the one I did before, on the really older one, it's still there, but it's not too bad. Like, obviously excuse the dirty areas, but you can see where the cleaner spots are around here. So you can see where the oil stain was, and it's quite faded, but yeah, we'll probably give her another shot during the summer, maybe, and try another product as well and see if it gets rid of it. But yeah, it's a bit of continuity of obviously trying a new product for the same thing, but it's just worth a little try. But yeah, don't mind testing new products out, something that I'm more than happy to oblige. And yeah, as you can see, not too shabby, but don't seem too brilliant at times, but either way, probably look not too bad. But yeah, you can definitely see the one of the ones I did here. And yeah, anyway, we'll leave it there and see what it's like. So this is the bigger area we've done, well, the smaller area actually, and this is the one we did last evening. And as you can see, it's still there, so not a big win really. You can barely see it, the one under the car, but you can still see got a bit of fade. It's a lot more smaller, to be honest with you, but well, obviously this one is actually the oldest one, and it's still there, but to be honest with you, that one turned out better, but I think it's mainly because that one is actually older. And yeah, so I say that product, that gunk stuff, is a failure. But to be honest with you, we're going to keep on working on it and see what happens. But as far as I'm aware of, it doesn't work. And who knows, it maybe just needs replacing, because it's probably too much, or been there for too long. So hey ho, anyway, this is 300 Seagoth out.